go. What is all this about?
Yeah, really.
There's footprints all over our house. Wait up for me.
Wait for me.
Lulu's
We've
already-
been waiting for you,
Did you
Dad.
save these bunny prints or did you make
No, Dad. Let's go.
them? She's already said Mom's so creative.
Yay! Cat!
Cat. Happy Easter. That's from me.
Hello, cat. Oh, and I didn't
Hello,
have anything
Dad.
to do with
Okay.
it.
Hitty, follow the footprints. Follow the...
I still have to find the Easter basket
Well, we'll see what the arrows go to.
outside
Okay.
and the egg. See?
George, what are you giving me stuff on Easter?
Go. Oh. Whoa.
They're everywhere,
good.
like last year.
Didn't he leave an Easter basket this year?
Yeah.
There's an Easter
Well, you
basket.
gotta find an Easter basket.
She's got
You
it.
just wouldn't let me find it. Ow.
Oh my gosh. That's the biggest piece of proof I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, that's what we want to see and hear in the video.
Yeah, really.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Happy Easter. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Oh, he even left one by the bunny.
That's right. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And the angel. How was the song the Easter Bunny sang?
Andy, here's a brown one. I would have put one in there, guys.
Yeah.
Keep going.
I'm looking.
Here's an egg shell.
Let's see what else the Easter Bunny brought.
Not one special egg.
Here's my little Easter rabbit.
All right.
And my Easter bonnet.
Let's go and see where the basket is.
I'm guessing it's in the living room.
Oh,
It's up there.
God. You're quick.
That was quick.
Okay, what do you say?
Thank you, Easter Bunny. And he left me a card.
Look at the camera. Happy Easter.
Happy